Welcome to the world of Tesla Supercharging. If you're a new Model 3 or Model Y owner, this video will guide you through your first supercharging experience. As of December 2025, Tesla's Supercharger network is the most extensive and advanced, with over 15,000 locations worldwide. These stations allow for rapid charging, making long-distance travel convenient. This video will cover everything you need to know, from finding a station to understanding charging speeds. Finding a supercharger is easy. Use the Tesla navigation system on your car's touchscreen or the Tesla app on your phone. Supercharger locations are marked with a lightning bolt icon. The app and in-car navigation provide real-time information on station availability, the number of stalls, and even estimated wait times. Knowing how to locate a charger is the first step towards a smooth supercharging experience. Begin by locating and parking in a designated supercharger stall. Tesla's network provides clearly marked stalls with the lightning bolt icon. Ensure your Model 3 or Model Y is fully stopped and in park mode before proceeding. The charge port is located on the rear driver's side of your Model 3 or Model Y. It's a small, recessed opening designed specifically for Tesla's proprietary connector. The port door opens automatically when you approach with the cable. Pull the supercharger cable from the charging unit. Tesla uses a proprietary connector with a round face and multiple pins. The cable is liquid-cooled to handle high power safely. Hold the connector firmly by its handle. Align the Tesla connector with your vehicle's charge port. The connector has alignment guides to ensure proper fit. Push firmly until you hear or feel it click into place. The vehicle will provide haptic feedback to confirm the connection. Once plugged in, your vehicle automatically recognizes the supercharger connection. The system verifies compatibility and begins the charging session. You'll see confirmation on the touchscreen and may hear a chime. Monitor the charging process on your vehicle's touchscreen. It displays real-time progress, charging speed, estimated time remaining, and cost. Speed starts low, peaks at up to 250 kilowatts for V3 superchargers, then decreases as the battery nears full. Charging speeds at Tesla superchargers can vary significantly based on several key factors. V3 superchargers, which are now the standard across the network, can deliver up to 250 kilowatts of power. Under ideal conditions, this can add up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes. One of the most important factors is your battery's current state of charge. Charging is fastest when the battery is between 10 and 50% full. As the battery approaches higher levels, the charging speed naturally decreases. Battery temperature also plays a crucial role. Charging works best when the battery is within an optimal temperature range of about 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Extreme cold or heat can reduce charging efficiency and speed. The supercharger's own output power is another factor. While V3 stations are standardized, individual stations may vary slightly based on electrical infrastructure and current load. Additionally, as your battery nears full capacity, the charging speed deliberately slows down to protect the battery's long-term health and lifespan. Payment for Tesla Supercharging is seamless and automatic. Your Tesla account is directly linked to your vehicle, eliminating the need for credit cards or additional apps at the charging station. Charging fees vary by location and time of day, providing flexibility for your charging needs. The current cost is clearly displayed on your vehicle's touchscreen and within the Tesla app for complete transparency. Non-Tesla vehicles can also access select superchargers through the Tesla app, with typical rates ranging from 28 cents to 50 cents per kilowatt hours, making the network more inclusive for all electric vehicle owners. Supercharger etiquette and safety are essential for a positive experience for all users. Follow proper etiquette at superchargers. Never leave your car unattended for extended periods, especially during peak hours when others may need the space. If the station is busy, unplug as soon as you've charged enough to reach your destination. This helps keep stalls available for others. Always park properly in designated spots and respect the shared charging spaces. Superchargers are designed with safety in mind. They use DC fast charging, which is completely safe for Tesla vehicles like the Model 3 and Model Y. Tesla has implemented comprehensive safety protocols, including liquid-cooled cables that prevent overheating during fast charging. The vehicle continuously monitors the charging process to protect battery health and ensure safe operation. Charging speed starts high and may decrease as the battery nears full capacity, which is a built-in safety feature to prevent damage. The supercharging network is continuously evolving. Tesla is expanding the network and introducing megachargers for even faster charging. They are also opening up superchargers to non-Tesla EVs. Future trends include urban charging hubs, integration with renewable energy sources like solar panels, and potentially bidirectional charging, vehicle-to-grid capabilities. These developments enhance convenience and sustainability. If you encounter issues while supercharging, start by checking the Tesla app for troubleshooting tips and real-time information. Common issues include connectivity problems, stalls that are temporarily out of service, and unexpected drops in charging speed. The Tesla app provides detailed troubleshooting tips. For example, it shows supercharger locations, membership options, and prompts on how to start charging. If charging speed drops unexpectedly, it could indicate connectivity problems or a stall issue. Monitor this in the app. If the app doesn't resolve the issue, contact Tesla support directly through the app. You can also schedule service for hardware problems. For out-of-service stalls, the Tesla app displays real-time status. Use it to locate working alternatives and check wait times. Overall, the Tesla app is your key tool for troubleshooting, offering real-time data on charging speeds and wait times to ensure a smooth experience.